You need to take all right. Go get the deal, nigga.
You want me to get the deal? I'ma get it, bro. I swear I'ma get it. I'ma get it.
Go get the fucking
These
deal.
niggas sleeping on me, bro. Like, I promise. But it's alright. I'm about to wake these niggas up. Shit. Okay. I'm gonna wake these niggas up, bro. I swear. Cause they been sleeping on Lil J. Smoking Mary Jane got me higher than the plane. And she asked me what I call it, I just call it plain Jane. Maybe I'm too basic or too complicated. Either way that it go, baby, we won't make it. Cause I'm in love with paper chasing. Cause I'm in love with Ben Franklin. And she's in love with chasing men for the riches. I swear to God I can't stand those bitches. Put the cup down cause we drinking out the bottle. Why fuck groupies when we can fuck models? To see my money you will need a pair of goggles. And I'm a pimp, that's why I walk with a hobble. I'm from a city where the streets ain't kind. To see no evil you would have to be blind. So if you wanna know about me, it's plain and simple, bitch. And I'm JR, man. Coolin' with the fam. Y'all niggas been
Go
sleeping.
get the fucking deal.
He want me to get.
Go get the fucking paper. Go get the contract. We ready, man. That's
We
my
ready.
fucking nephew, man.
We ready.
Hustle in this motherfucker, man. I'm out this bit, man. Take off,
But
man.
look, I'ma tell you something. Hey, country gangster boy coming straight out the south. Words ain't the only thing in and out of her mouth. I make her pussy cry, I make her pussy pout. And after all of that, best believe that I'm out. And I met a new bitch with a new bag of tricks. And on top of that, she'll snap like a pig. So don't get bit, no, don't get hit. And this thing on my hip leap off like ribbit. Rip it, yes, I'm ripping like paper. I must admit, I'm addicted to this paper. I'm all about my paper. I'm all about my paper. It's, hey, 2 fingers on the blunt, 1 finger on the trigger. Fuck with me, it's straight. Suicide nigga, it's a suicide nigga. It's a homicide nigga. It's, bitch. But so I'm just having fun. I have fun with this, man. Like real talk, man. Like it's not that. Hey, man. I'm just real with it. Like I can't help it. I'm real with it, nigga. Like not being cocky, you know. But I love music, and nigga, this is what the fuck I do. This is what I do.
Hey, I can't control
I'm
it.
confident in my shit.
I don't wash my hands up.
I know y'all love that shit, man. And if you don't, fuck you. I don't care. I don't care. I do music for me and the people that love my type of music.
Yeah.
So,
It's plain and simple, bitch. Plain and simple, bitch. Dr. Seuss on the fucking bitch.
how I look on this thing? I don't know how I look on it. Not that hard. It's plain and simple. Look up. New money, nigga.